knees rock to the left side and then over towards the right side. Left side, continue with that breath. Maybe you're starting to hear some gurgling noises. That stomach is starting to move. Things are moving through our intestines. Good. And now we're just gonna switch sides. So you're gonna take that left knee, grab hold of your left knee, either on top or behind the back of the knee. That right leg can stay bent or you can have it out straight. You're just doing those gentle circles back and forth from side to side. Nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. Good. Take another nice breath in. Exhale, let it go. On that next exhale, maybe you curl yourself, come all the way up. And then lower back down on that inhale. And then again, exhale, curl everything up. And then bring it back down.